It's early May near Bath in Somerset, and on some farms the second cut is already well underway. We are at A G Hardwick, at the heart of it all, where their John Deere 6215R paired with front mower conditioner and a brand new set of R870R twin rear mowers is in action in second cut grass, recently supplied and installed by the team at 𝗠𝗢𝗪𝗡𝗏. Clean lines, consistent conditioning and a setup that just gets the job done. It's one of those days where everything works as it should. The weather's on your side, the kit's running smoothly, and the second cut's coming off just right, from first pass to last. You can see the difference in the swath behind, tidy, even, and ready for the next stage in the cycle. Reliable kit, the right conditions, and a job well done. Just how it should be in the midst of silage season. Another solid day's work out in the field.